Hi guys, welcome to my live video. I'm Sheila Bajaj. I'm gonna wait for people to jump in. All videos start like this. Either people keep saying, have you ever seen a live video where people just keep saying, hello, hello, hello? Have you ever seen a live video when there are these awkward silences? किसी को मेरी आवाज़ आ रही है? I've seen like live videos where people start it like that and I'm like, बात तो करो यार, सुनाई दे रहा है. For some reason I have very bad connectivity. I need to check my Wi-Fi. Cool, welcome to my live video guys, and it is the most powerful day of the year. It is one of the most powerful day of the year for a lot of people who are into healing, who are into meditation, manifestation, for all light workers. Today is like a Diwali for light workers. Today is our Diwali. Why is our Diwali today? Because it is Vesak. It is Buddha Purnima. So a lot of people wonder कि क्या होता है यार ये बुद्धा पूर्णिमा, पहले ये गुरु पूर्णिमा होता है, फिर बुद्धा पूर्णिमा होता है, क्या होता है ये? So Buddha Purnima is Lord Buddha's birthday. Very simple, right? Very, very simple. So how does it apply to us? Hi Shubham, he says thank you for doing live videos so often. You're most welcome. I love doing these sessions it's just, I can find, I'm in my element when I'm doing these sessions. Even if I'm unwell, most times on a live video you really can't tell. Booth din ho gaya ata. Okay, I don't understand that. So Buddha Purnima is basically Lord Buddha's birthday, and it is a very powerful day, very auspicious day, and it is so amazing in terms of energy. It's like I said, it's the Diwali of for light workers. It's our Diwali, and this is the day that we do a lot of energy work. We do meditation, we do self-healing, we do healing for people, we channelize this energy, we do manifestation work, and it is a very powerful day. All right, so what are my recommendations for people out there on Buddha Purnima? What can you do? All right, Purnima says you are so much of energy, love it always. Thank you, Purnima. And my son keeps coming into the room, bringing me things and tempting me to eat. What has he brought me? See guys, what he brought me dal ka halwa. I'm just anyway gonna eat it in the middle of a live video. It's okay. My mom made it. Okay, so it is I work out every day. Okay, ऐसा देखना मत किसी कोई भी. I work out every day. तो ऐसे मत देखो कि मैं दाल का हलवा क्यों खा रही हूँ. No, thank you. No. Okay, so Buddha Purnima is Lord Buddha's birthday, and it is a very powerful day. Like I said, it's a jackpot day. Actually, for the 3 days before Buddha Purnima and 3 days after, it's a very high energy, very, very powerful energy this 1 week. So a lot of energy work happens during this time. It's a very good time to get healing done, to get a reading done, to get any kind of healing done. I just finished a 5th dimensional healing session for my entire group for I think almost 40 people. And thank you Himani Chetan, thank you so much. And today is, so 5th dimensional healing is basically an energy channel from 12th dimensional beings. All right, and 5th dimensional energy is like this is a very, very powerful, very potent and very subtle kind of energy that we can be available, can be available to us. So I just finished one session, and tomorrow I'm having one more session at around 1:30 and another one around 4:05, because there is a 3-minute period. I don't know if all of you are listening. Everyone's so engrossed in like giving me the date of birth. आज मैं कोई questions नहीं ले रही हूँ guys. Sorry, I'm talking about Buddha Purnima. Okay, so there is a 3-minute period on Buddha Purnima where Lord Buddha's energy comes to planet Earth. Otherwise, his energy has ascended beyond our planet. So this is this 3-minute period that happens at 4:15. Buddha Purnima, that time will be at its peak at 4:15. So at that point of time, you should be either meditating or you should be receiving healing. So I haven't decided if I want to be doing 5th dimensional healing during that time. Shaila says, Yes, today's healing was crazy. Yes, it is crazy because it is the most powerful spiritual day in the entire year. Buddha Purnima is Vesak is what we call it, Wesak. So we do meditation as well. I'm going to suggest people to participate in the fifth dimensional healing tomorrow. At 4:05 I will start the healing. So if you want to know details about participating in the fifth dimensional healing during this Vesak time, then I suggest that you put on my full moon meditation on from YouTube. Alright, there's a full moon meditation which I did last time on the pink full moon. Go to my YouTube because there's no blah blah in the beginning and no blah blah in the end. Yes, 4:15 Indian time. I know it is 6:45 Philippine time, so you can just adjust your time zone accordingly, and it's only for 3 minutes, guys. It's only for 3 minutes. Alright, tomorrow is also a day, very good day. Today is a very good day to do your manifestation meditation. It is very good to do chakra meditation. It's a very good time to do your manifestation with the bay leaf. So get a full tej patta, write down your wish, burn it, and go and blow it out in the balcony. Today is a really good time if you know how to do blue candle ritual. Awesome day to do it. If you've ever participated in our temple activities, a very good day tomorrow to do candle lighting, especially blue candle, red candle, green candle for manifestation. So fifth dimensional healing is a very powerful healing. It's like an upgraded kind of healing. It's usually divine healing, but a very, very different quality of healing. Alright, and it's channeled by 12th dimensional beings. And on special days like this, it's super powerful. So Rai Anu says, can we do healing without reading? Of course you can. So I'm going to suggest all my followers who follow me very regularly, please go to YouTube tomorrow. Whether you participate in the fifth dimensional healing or not, I'm going to suggest you do the full moon meditation during that Vesak time. 4:15 it's at its peak, so I would suggest you start at around 4:05, so that at that point of time you're receiving that energy. Alright? Bay leaf ritual, not a great day to do it today, because today is a day that you want to fill yourself with a lot of positive energy. You don't really want to, sit and worry about the negative energy. Let it take care of itself. So I do fifth dimensional healing for people who are asking me about, am I a pranic healer? Well, I've studied all different types of healing, from Reiki, pranic healing, magnified healing, chakra healing. I've studied all, karma healing. I do something called past life release of karma. I do I've studied different modalities of healing. Alright? So, like I said, fifth dimensional healing, something you can participate during Vesak, tomorrow at 1 o'clock or 1:30ish. You can also participate some people just do both sessions. This is PM, 1 PM and 4:05 PM. Alright? Full moon, and I'm going to suggest people to participate in that healing session at 4:05 because we start at that time. So tomorrow is Vesak, 4:05 PM. You can do this, participate in a group healing session. But also I'm going to suggest that you play my full moon meditation. Alright? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to post the link here. I don't know if any of my admin are here right now on the live stream, but I'm going to have them put a YouTube link so that people can start to meditate at that 4:05. Start at 4 o'clock if you want to, but make sure at that peak of 4:15 PM tomorrow, you're meditating. Alright? Cancel all your appointments otherwise. And please do your own, magic work. Do your own stuff, guys. Do the bay leaf with the intention, burn it, blow it out in the balcony, do your blue candle ritual. If you don't know how to do it, there are people in my center who do it. Tomorrow we have a group prosperity ritual. We have a group manifestation ritual. Our center has a bunch of activities on any powerful day. You can actually choose आपको क्या करना है. And we don't limit you and tell you कि please हमारे center में participate करो. You can actually do your own rituals. Like I said, take a tej patta, write it down. If you have manifestation oil from my center, anoint that with manifestation oil. Okay, Ashima Jain says how to participate. What do you want to participate in, darling? Any link for the ritual? So there are several rituals. We're going to post the link for the 5D healing group, and you can definitely participate in whatever you want. There's another group for intensive BLR. There's also a group on Facebook for intensive bay leaf ritual or bay leaf ritual. Please look it up. bay leaf ritual. Alright? Ria does the prosperity and the manifestation ritual. So please join that Facebook group. You can actually see the bay leaf ritual happening every day, live. We do it live. Okay, Ria has posted a link of a group. Which one have you posted, Ria? Ruchi says, is that a dream catcher at the back? Yes, it is a dream catcher. I bought this in Australia. Isn't that pretty? I love it. It's my favorite. I have another one on that side. It's called a wolf dream catcher. I chant a lot of wolf help, and it's a very, very powerful chant. Okay, details about group healing would be available on Telegram. Yes, the 5D healing group is on Telegram. Sonam says, even if you don't answer the questions, your videos are worth watching. You share so much. One. The healing today was so amazing. I can still feel the energy. Yes, you can. Yes, you can. Yes, you can. It's super powerful. My younger one became so hyper during the healing. You stay in Mumbai, how can you do the bay leaf ritual? Reena darling, we do not suggest you do the bay leaf ritual today and tomorrow, because आज का दिन जो है और कल का दिन जो है बहुत important है that we do energizing work and not cleaning वाला काम. Because whatever we do on a full moon day magnifies, and today is the most important full moon, today and tomorrow. It's already started today. Today and tomorrow is the most powerful, exalted full moon of the year because it's Vesak. So don't forget to meditate at 4:15 p.m. Do my pink full moon meditation on YouTube. Okay, I'm going to post the link. It's only 3 minutes that Lord Buddha's energy visits Earth. 3 minutes, alright? Okay, I dream about people who are leaving this world or have left mode. What should I do? Well, your awareness level is a lot higher than most people, darling. Don't judge yourself for it. Be an allowance of your ability to see that. Most people make their psychic abilities wrong. Most people judge themselves for being aware. Today during I don't know if these people are on live, but today during the 5D healing, I was actually like, I could see psychically, I could see one of the members, while doing the healing, and I was projecting energy to each one of them, right? And then I thought of this girl called Anamika. She's on our group. And immediately after that, ठक करके उसका message आया group पे. And then she's writing a message after that she could see me or she could hear me telling her something. Like we were like in some funny sync. There are like over 40 people, but ऐसे कुछ तो था. मतलब she was psychically like tapping into my energy. Okay, you're saying that do the bay leaf ritual, and you're saying don't do the bay leaf ritual. I'm confused. Priyanka, there's a group called Bay Leaf Ritual. Join that group. That group has Ria doing the bay leaf ritual every day. Alright, but this day, full moon day, is a day that we don't do bay leaf ritual. You can do it if you want to clean out your Ganda energy before your manifestation ritual. It's like you have a bath, right? Like today I had a very, very strong salt bath. It's something which is called Jinx breaking bath and a BMR salt bath mixed together. So I did that today before my 5D healing because I wanted to cleanse. Like आज ना वो दिवाली वाला cleaning करना था मुझे before the healing, because I want that energy to stay. Also, I've been very unwell. I don't look unwell, right? Like I have a crazy toothache. पता नहीं वो root canal के नीचे कुछ गड़बड़ हो रहा है. So I haven't slept. Doesn't look like. I haven't slept at all because of that pain in my tooth, and I went to the dentist and they look like जैसे moon पे गए हैं. Oh God, what times we have. Literally, the dentist looked like with that space suit, blue wala space suit with that whole headgear. I said, "Ye kya hai yaar?" And then they had this machine to like, I don't know what it's called, something. बहुत amazing tha. It was really, I felt like I was on the moon. So you can do the bay leaf ritual before your manifestation ritual, but manifestation ritual and prosperity ritual is very important on full moon day. Please mention the dates, it's confusing. Today and tomorrow. Full moon is today and tomorrow. How to contact? Please call my office 9900120034. It is difficult to get blue and green candles. Namrata, we have them in our office. You can get it Dunzod if you're in Bangalore. Then how to join the 5D healing tomorrow? Okay, there's a Telegram group. Ria, can you please share the group link? Or Ekta, please share the group link. I made you all admin in the group. How to participate in healing tomorrow? Just join the group link and you're good to go. Okay. Okay, I'm seeing some faltu messages also. I did your green candle ritual. Awesome. I'm so happy you did. I bought green candles, so California time 3:45 a.m. will light that. So you need to write your money goals on the green candle if you're doing the green candle ritual. Don't just burn it just like that. Okay? Does Dreamcatcher work? I see in many places. I don't know if they actually do. I find them really pretty, so I buy them. I frankly don't know if they work or not. So I don't know, Ruchi. I mean, if you feel drawn to them, then you should get them. Ma'am, before meditation, I burn bay leaves to clean the aura and negativity. Is that okay? Yes, you can. Fascinating art. You can definitely do that. How can we join the group? There are links given by Ria and Ekta. Please join those. So does that mean I should opt being a psychic as a profession if things are following? Yes, you should. Rishma, if you have certain abilities, what if you embraced your abilities instead of fought them? You know, a lot of times we make ourselves wrong for something that we are so good at. Like, I was always ridiculed for being talkative. Every report card of mine had, can do better if she talks less, can do better if she talks less, can do better if she talks less. And then I was on national television on India Today TV for a whole year, on Aaj Tak, doing a show called Khush Raho, going jabba 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 jabba, talk 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 talk. Arey yaar, I get paid to talk. I get called to corporates, I get called for talks, I get called for like programs, and all they tell me is talk. I don't even do a PowerPoint presentation. I just talk. I'm extempore. I can't have a script. If I prepare a script na, oh God, मेरा आँख ऐसे टेढ़ा हो जाता है. So what if you could just embrace your biggest flaw and make it your biggest gift? How would that change your world? Like imagine, like you would just be like one, you know, like जैसे आपके पर खुला है, you know, like your wings just came out. Suddenly you realized you were a bird. So please opt for it if that's something that calls you. But you have to be passionate about listening to troubled people then, you know. Like I'm not so passionate about like listening to troubled stories anymore. I like empowering people. So there's a difference. My passion sort of shifted from listening to problems and counseling, mentoring, all of that, but moved to sort of empowering people. There's a slight difference. I want to know how does moon affect our behavior and mood. Oh, the moon has crazy effects on people. Our body is 70% water and the moon has an effect on water. So how many people have been cranky during full moon time and making yourself wrong for it? Okay? Just be patient with yourself during new moon and full moon. Why is he saying take Augmentin 650? मुझे नहीं लेना एंटीबायोटिक, सब कर लिया, रूट कैनाल करवाना है मुझे. थैंक यू आदित्य. प्लीज डोंट प्रिस्क्राइब मेडिसिन ऑन लाइव स्ट्रीम वीडियो. I'm going to delete this thing. I'm going to delete this comment right now, Aditya. Thank you. We need to meditate at 4:15 p.m. till what time? No, start at 4:05, okay? Guys, please start at 4:05 p.m. because I don't want you to start meditating at 4:15 and miss the bus. You know, you don't want to miss the bus. वो बस सिर्फ 3 मिनट के लिए आता है और अगर आपका बस छूट गया ना कि इंटरनेट में ख़राब हो गया, कुछ पावर चला गया, कुछ गड़बड़ हो गया, फिर मतलब नेक्स्ट ईयर के लिए वेट करना पड़ेगा बॉस. तो प्लीज़ स्टार्ट एट 4:05. दिस वी आर लिविंग इन इंडिया, यू नो, विद अनप्रिडिक्टेबल पावर. एंड मेड आके कुछ बोलने लगी, मम्मी ने कुछ बोला, बच्चे ने वैं किया, बच्चे को सुसु आ रहा है, मतलब कुछ भी हो सकता है, राइट? कुछ भी हो सकता है. तो प्लीज़ स्टार्ट एट 4:05. And if you have these strange circumstances like I do, like I have, my house is like a dharamshala, please start at 4 o'clock. क्योंकि distractions are bound to happen. Lock the door, meditate. Participate in 5D healing if you can and do both at the same time. Please remember, do both at the same time. So if you're participating in 5D, don't forget to put on your meditation. I want you to get the yummy like jackpot effect of Vesak. Okay, most of the time when I get dreams, I feel that something actually happens. Guys, don't stop fighting your dreams. Dreams are good. Should we have salt bath tomorrow before meditation? Yes, please have a salt bath. You can have it in the morning. All right? Yes, we are astronauts now. I felt I was in space. How do you do a manifestation ritual? Okay, so you can do manifestation on your own. There are 2 types of manifestation ritual that I teach people for free. Please go ahead and do it. there is a simple manifestation ritual on a bay leaf. You can write your wish and you can burn it and blow it out in the balcony. A slightly step up version of that is put manifestation oil on it, then burn it. So write your wish, put the manifestation oil on it, because those herbs and oils will enhance that effect. Then burn it, then throw it out in the balcony and intend for the universe to bring that to you. The third type is the blue candle. Get a blue candle, write all your wishes on the blue candle, take manifestation oil, anoint it from middle down to middle on top. And the infamous chapstick comes again here. So before I start a live video ना थोड़ा chapstick लगा लेती हूँ मैं, तो इसीलिए यहाँ पे पड़ा होता है, ठीक है? मेरे पास कोई दुकान नहीं है. So you take the candle, blue candle, and this is also blue. So you take the oil in your hand like that, anoint it from the middle halfway down like that, and then from the middle halfway up. Middle down, middle top. So that magnetizes your candle. This is called candle magic. And when you carve it out, please don't carve it out with a pen. Take a toothpick or take like a compass or take a needle, some kind of like a knife, and then carve out your wish on the candle. Blue candle, remember. Use the manifestation oil, and if you have manifestation powder, roll it on that and then burn it. You will be so amazed at the way, you know, people have created really amazing magic with this ritual. So this is what I teach. There's also like a manifestation kit, like a herb, which is a more advanced ritual. You can also get that from my office and do it. But I would suggest for beginners, do this first. Okay. Tomorrow date please. मतलब Thursday. आज क्या है? आज Wednesday था ना? So tomorrow मतलब today, 7th. Okay guys? I can write my wish on the bay leaf and burn. Yes, I'm in Bombay. Don't have blue candle. Have one white one. Okay, so we're going to post even the group, the 5D healing group. There's a candle service that happens in our temple every day. All right, we can do that for you in the temple of miracles. All right, you can have your wish on the candle, on the blue candle. Okay. What time tomorrow is full moon? Full moon is from today till tomorrow. But guys, the Vesak is, like I said, at 4:15. Please start to meditate at 4:05. Your hair looks awesome, ma'am. पता नहीं आज जंगली जैसा लग रहा है मेरे बाल, मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है. Like I need a haircut, yaar. I want to change this light green. You know, I was just going to go to the salon before the lockdown. I even took an appointment and उन्होंने phone करके बोला cancel. So I'm just gonna wait. I'm taking off the blue, by the way. This is supposed to be blue. Now it's turned into light green. Oh, same questions. I have your love spray. What can? Okay, I don't understand the question. I wrote on the candle, how much do you charge for the healing? Healing sessions are 600 per person. All right, and it's very subsidized so that lots of people can participate. Please guide about the green candle. Already did. Please go and rewatch the video. How to write money goals on your candle, like 25 lakh rupees, $1 million, 5 lakh rupees. Whatever is your goal. Okay, very confused. I want to learn from class 101. Okay, so see, once Vishaka, if you ever get onto the 5D healing group, you'll get a taster of what we do. If you've ever consulted, this is something I want to tell everyone. Something I gloat and I show off about. Actually, I take a lot of pride in this, right? That we're the only center in the whole country, and my husband says that even probably in the whole like planet, we don't know of a single center that after you consult with me or one of my practitioners, we have lifelong support that we give you. You're on a study group, on a Telegram group. You can ask any question at any time. You could be 3 o'clock in the morning, someone will be awake. You have seniors, admins, you have me, you have a whole bunch of practitioners. And we're always there to answer your questions. I feel extremely proud of saying we have so many seniors, admins and practitioners, and all of them came to my center first as a client from rock bottom. None of them are like already trained practitioners who joined my center. They all have come to my office as a client first and then became practitioners and consultants, including Riya, Ekta and Janki. Okay, all the 3 tarot card readers here who do kick-ass readings, they all came as a client first. Okay, I have your love spray. How can I use it for manifesting? You can't use it for manifesting, darling. So video available on Facebook, just follow. The Facebook video has a lot of blah blah in the beginning, so go to the YouTube full moon meditation. Guys, I have a YouTube channel. शीला के पास एक YouTube channel भी है, आप वहाँ पे जाके सब्सक्राइब कीजिए and then you can find that meditation. प्रतीक सिंह टॉक 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 टॉक, हाँ आई टेल यू, क्या काम है ना मुझे, मतलब क्या काम है मेरा यहाँ पे टॉक 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 टॉक, बिकॉज पीपल आस्क मी सो मेनी क्वेश्चंस यार, तो मैं बोलूँगी नहीं तो लिख के रखूँ यहाँ पे. Okay, I got a small papaya legua deity from Bangkok. In which direction can I keep? Ruchi, I always suggest people not to keep certain deity idols on their own, because you can never communicate with the deity yourself unless you're initiated to know what the deity is asking you for. So I always suggest people to have the deity placed in a temple, so that if the deity is asking for an offering, you're not dishonoring the deity. Alright, so papaya legua ideally should not be kept at home. Okay, I'm not able to join the group. Nimisha, you'll need to download Telegram before you hit on that link. Directions of plant vastu, not answering that today, darling. Salt bath work tomorrow. Yes, you need to do a salt bath before the healing or the meditation. I feel down or super high on full moon. How is it related to emotional state? You know, we all are very, very sensitive. Lot of light workers and energy workers are very sensitive to the full moon. Don't judge yourself for it. Say that I have superpowers. These are my superpowers. Okay, so if you have superpowers, you may get cranky on full moon, on new moon, or the whole month, and it's fine. It's fine to have it, yeah. It's fine. I also get cranky. Like, ask my kids. I get really, really cranky on full moon. I'm like so mopey and like that. It's fine. I can see on my brother-in-law. Feeling low is full moon energy. Yes, lots of people are feeling low, guys. Okay, what time to start meditation in USA? See, it is in Philippine time 6:45. So please figure it out according to your time zone. All right. मैम डज इस डायरेक्शन ऑफ प्लांट वास्तु, क्या हो रहा है यार, ये मैसेजेस रिपीट हो रहे हैं मुझे लग रहा है. रेशमा सिंह, योर टॉक्स मेक मी लाफ. मुझे स्टैंड अप कॉमेडियन होना था ना, मुझे भी लगता है. ओके, lots of people asking me questions. Entire process we should follow to achieve maximum benefit. I just did, darling. Please go back to the video and watch. I can't repeat it. Yes, मैं सर्वश्रेष्ठ हिंदी नहीं बोलती नेहा. So my Hindi is very, very अजीब and for some people cute. And so is my Kannada, you know. I make lots of like grammatical mistakes. Thank you, Shri Kiran. When someone tells me ना मेरा sense of humor मस्त है, क्या मस्त लगता है मुझे, पता है? Like you made my day. Okay. I think we should use red color pen when you write on bay leaf, correct? No, just use a neutral color pen. Don't worry about it. Red or purple usually is suggested, but anything is fine. Okay, we can write on paper and stick the paper on candle. No, you can't do that. Can we dip it in tulsi water? No. Blue candle, if it's not there, then don't do it. Do the bay leaf. Take the tej pata and write your wish. I don't have manifestation oil. What should I do? Do it without the manifestation oil. I stay in Mumbai. How will I get your products? Couriers have opened. The world is functioning again. So, okay. I think this is it, right? Like, I don't have any other questions here. Where is your center in India? We have a center in Bangalore, but we're hoping a lot of people take franchises of our center in different places. Okay, I answered your question, Ruchi. Small papaya legua deity. Today is Thursday. Yes, I need you to do this on Thursday. When I said tomorrow, I mean 7th. Okay? 7th. Guys, full moon, Vesak, 4:15 p.m., 7th of May. Okay. Okay. So Sulavi Sharma says, even if I try, I can't believe such things. And Sulavi, it's fine not to believe. And it's absolutely fine not to believe. There is no hard and fast rule that you have to believe everything. There are so many things I don't believe. There are so many things I kind of learn, test, experiment, and then I'm like, so it's fine not to believe. You don't have to believe. Everyone doesn't have to believe everything, all right? It's just you follow what you resonate with. If something feels light to you, if something feels expansive to you, if going to the temple feels awesome to you, do it. Meditation feels awesome to you, do it. Whatever's true for you will make you feel light about it, all right? What's not true for you will just make you feel little bakwas. So okay, I'm looking at Instagram for a change. Instagrammers, I'm looking at you because you're like quite a few people here. Da, 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 da. Okay, that's it. That's all I have time for Instagrammers. Because do dreams have a meaning? Yes, a lot of dreams do have meaning, but sometimes we also dream bakwas dreams. Like just what's on your mind, or you know, something that's bothering you. Okay, I'm gonna post the exact date just because people are so confused. 7th of May, 4:15 PM. यार मैं बुढ़ी हो जाऊंगी ऐसे बोल बोल के. Shri Kiran says, please try burgundy for your hair. No way, I'm never trying burgundy. I tried red once, it was so scary. Like it was horrible. After it fades, after 2 days, it looks so ganda. No, I'm not doing red again. What is Ria saying? Yes, 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 kitch kitch client. Okay, Rashmi wants to know about what is this kind of healing. I think like I'm like really, I need to like just scroll down. Kirti Raman says Janki is amazing. Somebody says channel name. आपको ये TV channel लग रहा है? TV channel नहीं है मेरा. Oh, someone saying which YouTube channel? Sorry, YouTube channel Sheila M Bajaj. Just type Sheila with a double A. How can I learn numerology and tarot card reading? Again, join the 5D healing group. You can ask a question there and then someone will direct you. For name correction, is there an online service? Not staying in Bangalore. Yes, Reena, there is. Please call my office. There are online services. I do only Skype calls nowadays. I am not doing personal consults because I don't want to contract anything. I have an immune issue, so I'm not going to take that risk. Didi, what do we exactly have to do tomorrow? Please watch the video again, Shivika. Where is your center? Bangalore. Past life connections exist? Yes. Please guide, how should we write our money goals on candle? Just with any sharp object. 5D healing, what does it cost? 600. Man, whatever the meditation. 4:05 PM tomorrow, which is 7th. Okay, I'm scrolling way down, okay? Yeah, I was like in 1942. ये सब messages ना, I was like somewhere in the beginning. तो इसीलिए people are just repeating क्योंकि मैं तो पता नहीं कहाँ गुम हो गई. Okay, cool. Talk in Kannada for a minute. No, I'm not talking in Kannada. जब मैं कन्नड़ा शो करूँगी तब मैं कन्नड़ा में बात करूँगी और फिर सब हंसेंगे, लेकिन अभी आपको नहीं सुनाऊँगी कन्नड़ा. How to join 5D healing group? We're going to post a link so you can join the group. What to do with the melted candle after the manifestation? Okay, so what you do with the melted candle is you take it and you put it on the crossroads under a tree. Do whatever. Whenever you do, okay, I'm not going to confuse you guys. If I talk about black candle now, na sab log pagal ho jayenge. How to get a reading with you? I don't do tarot card readings anymore. I have 3 rock stars who read for me, Ekta, Janki and Ria. And every single day I feel so happy that they do reading because I don't have to read anymore. So I don't read, guys. I run away from reading. My mother-in-law is extremely hyper, anxiety patient. She wanders about multiple times when I'm doing something. She's after my life and too much interference and causing problems in my life. With some totkas and only becoming bichari in front of everyone. Oh my God. So this is like, I don't know, like a very common story to me. All these mother-in-laws are up to something, okay? So just, I don't know, like, I don't know what to do. I don't know what you should do with your mother-in-law. You can't put her on a candle or you can't put her in the bay leaf ritual. So you just have to deal with her. Okay. Can I call upon archangels tomorrow for a manifestation? Yes, you can. Such nice questions. Ma'am, what can we do on these days for people who are hyper on these days? A good thing to do when someone is hyper during full moon or new moon is to drink, eat from a silver vessel, like a silver glass. Wear silver. People who have issues during new moon, you should wear silver. Are we supposed to do manifestation before 4:15 or later? Before, darling. Before. Simi Han says, can I protect myself? Yes, you can get a taviz, an amulet to protect yourself. You can call our office and we can direct you. Okay, so I've already answered Rupal. What can you do? Silver, wear, drink, eat. Okay? Somebody is so like hung up on telling me about my hair. I love your videos. Just started watching recently. I'm from South Africa. Thank you, Nancy. How do you burn bay leaves? Okay, so the manifestation thing that I taught you about the bay leaf, where you write your wish and then you burn it, that's different. The bay leaf ritual is for banishing all of your negative stuff. That is completely different. Join the bay leaf ritual group on Facebook if you want to get it done either by Ria or you want to learn how to do it. And can we do in periods also the rituals tomorrow? Yes. You know, unlike, I'm going to talk about something a little controversial, but anyway, I talk a lot of stuff like that, so I don't care. A lot of people believe that when you have your period, you're unclean, all right? Now, there was a reason thousands and thousands of years ago that was said, because we didn't have things to keep ourselves sanitized and clean, and women had to use ajib things during their period. So, obviously, we were really unclean during our period. Now, times have changed and you have technology to take care of your period. There are lots of contraptions that you have. So it's not the case anymore. Women are, on the contrary, very powerful during their period. Very, very powerful. And you know what I think? I think they don't allow women in temples during their period because they might just curse someone, curse a man, curse their husband, curse somebody, and it will happen. Maybe even curse the mother-in-law. You don't know. And you know, something will happen. So basically your manifestation is at its peak. Your power and potency, like your goddess power, your woman power, your your power is at its peak when you have your period. So be very careful when you say something during your period, especially when it's full moon. Bach ke raho. I mean, I don't know. Be careful. Okay, Archit Oja says, how can I control my anger now? It's a big problem for me. I really love your question, Archit. A lot of people have anger issues. And anger is a very serious problem that needs to be dealt with. Anger is an emotion. Sometimes it just comes up automatically. Sometimes it just runs our life. And one of the things that I found extremely helpful for anger is to use Bach flower therapy. Contact one of my tarot card readers, Ekta Janki Ria. They do an analysis of Bach flower therapy and they are amazing. They will give you a concoction like for 1 month, 3 months, 6 months. They will tell you how long depending on your analysis. मतलब कितना कचरा है, कितने emotions हैं. So they will tell you how long you need treatment for. But it's basically a thing that, in a sense, that's made from flowers. Alright? Look it up, read up on it. It's available in the UK. We give you only the original Bach flower. We do not give you something that's made in Kirani ki dukan. Okay? So that's one thing which is awesome for anger. Second thing for anger that I find very effective is to wear amethyst. It does help tone down people's anger. Another crystal to wear is labradorite. Okay, you can wear it in the form of a bracelet. Very effective for anger. And the last but not the least is chakra healing. So again, Ekta, Janki and Ria, they're actually my senior practitioners, which is why I end up telling you, unke paas jao, consult them. They do tarot, they also do the element reading, they do this, they do that, they do Bach flower. Why? Because they are my senior practitioners. Very soon you'll see a lot of junior practitioners in my center who will probably do only tarot. They will not know the other stuff. So Ekta, Janki and Ria can help you with Bach flower therapy. Alright, Archit? That's very effective, trust me. For any emotional issue, Bach flower therapy is awesome. Okay. So, do you believe in karmas? Yes and no. Like a lot of times we use karma as like a, as a crutch or like something to blame because we make stupid choices. And we just make stupid choices and we can just admit that we make stupid choices, but we'd like to blame karma. So I would say yes and no. A lot of times, yes, some things that we carry, some certain life lessons we choose, a lot of things that we go through, we've kind of signed up for it, and that's kind of a part of karma. But this whole thing of like you do good, you get good, you do bad, you get bad, मतलब फिर अच्छे लोगों के साथ बुरा क्यों होता है? बोलो. लोग मुझे आके बोलते हैं कि अच्छा करने से अच्छा होता है. मैंने कितने लोगों को देखा जो अच्छा करते हैं लेकिन उनको थप्पड़ मिलता है. क्यों? I have seen it, guys. I have experienced it myself. I have seen some amazing good people who get kicked, booted, blamed and targeted for being amazing. So how can the law of karma work? आप बोलो. हो ही नहीं सकता. This law of karma is fraud. मैं बोल रही हूँ. क्योंकि it's just a way that I think like spiritual masters and teachers tell you, अच्छा करो अच्छा होगा. But बुरा करो बुरा होगा. But I've seen a lot of बुरा करो people जिनके साथ बुरा नहीं होता है. सच में. मतलब कितने लोग पैसे लेके भाग गए हमारे कंट्री से. नाम नहीं बोलूँगी मैं. पता नहीं मुझे मेल में या कहीं से कोई थ्रेट आ जाए तो कितने लोग पैसा लेके भाग गए. उनके साथ कुछ बुरा हुआ है? नहीं ना. सो बुरा का असर बुरा नहीं होता. आई डोंट नो. आई जस्ट डोंट बाय दिस होल लॉजिक. आई फील दैट अच्छे लोगों के साथ बुरा क्यों होता है? Why do good people get kicked? It's the universe's way of giving you one tight whack and saying stop overdoing it, stop being a sucker. मतलब अगर मैं यूनिवर्स होती तो मैं ऐसे करती. मैं सोच रही हूँ. So that's why I'm saying that this is my logic. Now again, this is my funda. You don't have to buy it. It's my point of view. This is not the gospel truth. This is Sheila's point of view. Okay? How to get rid of loans? I don't know. We're not talking about loans today. Okay? We're going to talk about some happy, nice, bubbly things. We can talk about loans another day. Ria is amazing reader. Huge respect and love. Who helped me and changed my life. Gokul says. Thank you so much, Gokul, for sharing feedback. Rupal Jain says, it's been so many days I'm watching you, really eager for your live all day. So awesome. It's people like you who bring me back live. I've been enjoying these lockdown live sessions. I think I'm going to miss this lockdown, guys. Like I never used to do that many live sessions and I've really been enjoying it. And past life connections bakwas hote hain. Please don't put any energy into it because you're wasting your potent energy. All right, you have this lifetime ke relationships and problems to deal with. Please don't worry about your past life wale. Is it possible to get someone to talk to you who has stopped talking to you? Yes, there are ways, but I think you should get a reading first to see if there's a probability exists or not. Okay, you just made a red candle for marriage purpose with your partner. Red candle magic is used for career, is used for sex, but not used for marriage. It is used for career, for I think also confidence. You can use red, and for sex. You can't use red for marriage. You should use pink for love. I don't know if there's a candle to make marriage happen. Okay. Okay, how to escape from any occult person who's behind you without any reason? If male behind female, please suggest. Okay, I don't know an answer. Just do bay leaf ritual. Wear something to shield you and avoid them. Block them everywhere if you can. Okay. Guys who missed the earlier part of the video, you all don't know what to do tomorrow, please go ahead and re-watch the video. Okay, Taruna Reddy, my daughter 15 years old is very cranky and moody before her period. Please suggest a remedy. Okay, we do something which is an antidote therapy in my center. Alright, Janki takes care of that because she's from the pharmaceutical industry. She's a pharma expert. Okay, so she understands this work more than anyone else. So please ping Janki on this live stream and ask her for antidote therapy for hormones. It is natural. There is nothing that's a chemical in that. It is electromagnetic vibrational treatment and it is amazing. It is rockstar amazing. She'll explain some of it to you. So please ping her and then you can have a consult with her, Taruna. Alright, this is for your daughter. Do you do past life regression? No, I don't. And I do not teach chakra healing. I'm sorry. Only my healers do chakra healing, but I don't teach it. I teach Reiki, and I still teach Reiki. Ma'am, what healing is going to be tomorrow? It is divine healing, fifth dimensional healing, Kirti. Do you know how to know I'm out of your life? Okay, I don't know what that means. Okay. So Neelu says good people really get kicked. See, awesome. We're getting people who relate to it. Santosh says, what to do when you want your son and daughter to get married soon? What you do is you live in allowance and let them choose to get married when they want to get married. Okay, and not enforce your opinion or your wishes on them, because then they might end up getting into a bad marriage, and then they'll have an unhappy marriage and you would have forced it and you feel guilty, and then, oh my god, it's not like buying underwear that you just get it over with. Please don't force children to get married. What can I use for my third eye chakra? It's been throbbing lately. Please get a chakra healing done and it'll be all right. Okay, somebody says, do you have remedies for karma? There's something which is called past life release of karma. I used to do these sessions after the fifth dimensional healing, but it just happens one-on-one, all right? On a group, but it happens one-on-one, one after another. It doesn't happen. So I can maximum take like 20 people at a time, I guess. I take workshops. Yes, Rupal, I do take workshops. I teach tarot, but all of the stuff that I teach is not like time pass, it's professional stuff. A lot of people who teach courses just buy a book, make a course out of it, teach it. I don't do that. I teach professional classes. All right. Okay, I think we have. I love watching your video. You're such an inspiration for me. Okay, such an honest and beautiful soul. Your face gracefully shows. Thank you so much. We will miss you too. Oh my God, such love. Thank you. You are right about universe giving a kick to stop overdoing. I love watching your videos. You are such an inspiration for me. How do we connect your senior consultants? Ekta, Janki, Ria, they are on this live stream. You can connect with them and just find them on this live stream. Two of them are at least very active right now, Ria and Ekta. I love this energy of yours. You make me come alive. Listen to my podcast, guys. Like, if anyone wants to change their life, go to iTunes and listen to my podcast. It is number 2 on iTunes globally, not like in India. Like, isn't that crazy? So globally it is at number 2 spot, and it is in personal development category. All right. What is the one thing you love the most in lockdown? Doing these live videos, family time, cuddling with both my kids. Like, we just have cuddling times, you know, it's so nice. Like, my younger one will come and say, cuddly, cuddly, cuddly time. And I love it. I love the cuddling. It's so nice. Morning cuddling, afternoon cuddling, evening cuddling, night cuddling. Like, it's all the time cuddling. Yeah, today I wasn't thinking of doing the session, but I had to inform people about the full moon and the Vesak, so that's why I came online. Okay, I think we're done for today. I have so many questions answered, and I've spoken to you about Vesak, about the 3 magic minutes. Do your manifestation, have a salt bath. You know, make the best of this day. If you've missed anything, I've given you some amazing, for the people who are just joining in, sometimes live video that happens, go back to the video and watch it. Watch the section where I talk about what time you meditate on 7th of May 2020. This year has not been good, guys, ruled by Rahu. We need this energy. All of us need to gulp this energy. Take part in the 5D healing tomorrow if you can. Tomorrow matlab 7th May at 1 o'clock, 1 p.m, 1:30ish. Actually depends on what time I wake up. So, you know, participate in as many sessions as you can. The next 3 days is also really powerful. So the energy of Vesak actually is for 7 days, 6-7 days. So make the best of it. All right. What does marhaba mean? I know it's like some very exotic word, marhaba. मैंने गानों में सुना है, but someone saying marhaba to me and I don't know what it means. Past life regression is not a hoax, but it just causes a lot of problems, Seema. Okay, Ruth says, how do I get a tarot card reading on the phone? Ekta, Janki and Ria are on here. Janki saying like on this live stream. So I know she's here. So guys, like I told you, all my 3 consultants are, you know, 3 senior consultants are Ekta, Janki, Riya, and they are right here. Ping them. You want Bakfly, you want tarot, whatever you need. And Janki is the one who takes care of the antidote therapy. I think one person actually asked for that. Please ping Janki, she's right here. How to deal with OCD? Please do Bakfla therapy. Amazing for OCD. Even I have some shades of OCD. Ask Janki. Yeah, I do. Like, people are not allowed to sit on my bed. I have bed OCD. You can't wear bahar ke kapde on my bed. So if you're wearing jeans and coming, you have to change into pajamas, wash your feet, and come on my bed. Aise. So I have bed OCD. I have some cleanliness crazy OCD. So, you know, but some OCDs are fine, right? It works for you. But some OCDs just drive, like the extreme OCDs are crazy. I used to have very extreme cleanliness or OCDs, and having 2 children, it's quite impractical to have an OCD. So, but you know, OCDs which really trouble you extreme, please get it sorted out. My OCDs are generally to do with cleanliness, like germs and stuff. Black magic hai kya? Haan, Priya, black magic does exist. There are people who don't believe it, people who live in denial, people who want to say, oh, ye sab bakwas hai, hota kuch bhi nahi hai. And obviously, like, as a practitioner, we learn about it and we know that it exists, but till the time you don't get an attack on yourself, you actually don't know what it is. Each one of my tarot card readers have gone through the black magic drill, so they've also been trained to read it in a tarot card reading. So if you suspect that you have black magic or a psychic attack, do not second guess. Don't try to just start doing the remedies. Don't waste your money on that. Please get a tarot card reading and then know for yourself if you have something like that going on or not. Alright? Thank you guys for all the love. My God, I can't even read all the messages. Like, I'm going to read them later, but they just too much love happening. Thank you. And for all the people who aren't able to get a free session on a live video, get their questions answered, their date of birth answered, you can contact the office, get a personal consult. It's the full deal. You do it once in a lifetime. Get your numerology or tarot or whatever done. But you know what? Like, just, you know, get like 100%. Like, if a numerology name correction's done, you're doing it once in a lifetime. You're not getting some chutur putur on Facebook. Okay? And instead of doing like a 1 question reading on Facebook, get a proper reading from Ekta, Janki or Riya. Anchal says, I have so many questions, but the moment you start talking, I forget everything and just keep listening to your talk. I don't know if it's a good or a bad thing, but I guess I have that effect of like making you forget. You are amazing. I love the way you answer us. Kitna pyar, yaar. I'm soaking in that energy. Thank you guys. I'm receiving all your love. Thank you so much. Ekta Kohli, what time do we need to do the candle thingy tomorrow? Guys, I've already said it on the video. Please go and re-hear the video. What kind of manifestations can we do in bay leaf rituals? Arre baap re, pagal ho jaungi. Bay leaf ritual is to remove kachra, all the kakka from your life. Okay? Manifestation is different. Is to create something. प्लीज दोनों को कंफ्यूज मत करो. जाके अपना विश जाके बे लीफ रिचुअल में डालोगे ना, कचरा हो जाएगा. प्लीज मत करो ऐसे. ओके. Okay, I feel some pull towards you and your messages and really enjoy listening to you. Feel that I just came across you due to some positivity. Thank you, darling. Okay. Do not stop live videos once the lockdown is over. So you don't even know how we look forward for your videos and for you to be online. So cute, man. So cute. This is cuteness. My mother is having some skin issue on her leg. Is there any reason behind it? A lot of skin issues are because of an exalted Rahu. So you want to get an analysis done, get a tarot or get a numerology done. If there's an issue with Rahu, and it's mango time. I'm gonna eat mango now. Okay guys, I'm done with this video. I've given you all the info and I'm going. Okay, so skin issue, see how mango can distract me. So skin issue is a Rahu related issue. Please get it checked. Please get your numerology checked. Also you can contact Janki and see the root cause of the skin issue. She takes care of the antidote treatment in my center. All right. Okay, I'm done reading all of that. All of this. Okay, hey, amazing thought, but if karma isn't real, why are we getting kicked by wicked people? I'd love to do another session just on karma. Alright, I'm gonna plan it and tell you guys. Karma is like this really yummy topic. I love talking about it. I can never keep up to the messages, guys. There are just so many messages coming in, and I keep reading it, and then Janki says I was sitting on the floor whole day because of my OCD. Chi. देखो लाइव स्ट्रीम पे बोल रही है सब कुछ. मैंने OCD के बारे में बोला. She just had to say yes. OCD, yes. Ruth, I'm not having mango milkshake today. I'm having just mango. No mango milkshake, just mango. Like, I'm a mango binger. Like, I love mango during this season. Like, I just love the mango. From where have you learned Reiki? Priya, I learned Reiki from 3 different teachers. I studied Reiki also with a master in the US, 2 masters in the US. So, 1 master in India. See, my kind of Anjali, OCD, can it be removed? See, my OCD is with cleanliness. Ekta is a different type of OCD. Uska bhi ek hai kuch, cleaning wala something. We all have different shades of OCD, guys. But like OCD is just another, thing like autism or like another thing. So, I mean, it's not something to be ashamed of, but we all have some shades of it, I guess. How to remove negativity around us? Please do the bay leaf ritual. I have Rahu Mahadosh started 6 months back, and this Rahu time is already on. Okay, Simi, I would suggest that you get a numerology consult, alright? And that would be more effective instead of me giving you a frivolous remedy on a Facebook live video. Don't stop your sessions after lockdown. Okay, Ruchi Nevatia, you never take my question in live stream. Darling, I'm not taking questions. Like, I'm not taking date of birth wale questions today. Okay? And I'm doing this 5D healing tomorrow. It's 5th dimensional healing for anyone who's here. You all want to take part. It's really an awesome energy. Tomorrow at 1:30. Okay, I'm going to say 1:30. And then also at 4 o'clock. Yeah, BLR may wish will be swaha. Your wish will be gone. Because BLR is about banishing, is removing. Okay, so thank you guys. And yes, I will plan a live video on Reiki. A lot of people have these questions. I will write down these valuable questions. And if you all want me to talk about a certain subject, I'll be happy to do that. Seema says, are we supposed to chant? No, I've asked you to do 2 things. You can do the pink moon meditation, which is on YouTube. Do that at 4:05. Start it at 4:05 or 4 o'clock and continue it. You can also participate in the 5th dimensional healing. We're sharing the link here. I will also share it so that you can participate in 5th dimensional healing. Have a salt bath before your healing session, and it is very, very effective. All right. It is many people who participate for the first time don't feel much. All right, so this is something I want to tell you guys. If you're doing 5th dimensional healing for the first time, your energy is not going to be as sensitive. It's like the more healing you get done, the more sensitive it is. All right, the more receptive you are. Also, people who are kind of spiritually evolving and people who are doing a lot of energy work will sense the energy like that. Like on that group, Anamika, Prathna, all of them like feel the energy like that. They feel tingling, heat, ye, wo. But if you're a newcomer, you may not feel it, but it doesn't mean it's not working on you. All right, so you can participate in it. And okay, so Priya says, please explain black magic. I'll do another video on black magic. All right, I promise you, Priya, I'll do another video on it. Okay, guys. Instagram always gives me a time limit on how long we can do a live video. So I think it's time for mango, and time for you all to go and do meditation. Please do as much meditation that you can during this week. The next 3-4 days, very valuable. Do the full moon meditation from my YouTube channel. Full moon, it's called pink moon, full moon, and do the chakra meditation. All right. Hog up a lot of this yummy spiritual energy. And if you want a personal consult, this is a very good time to get a tarot card reading, to get a chakra healing, 5D healing, sab kuch. Alright, any energy work during the next 3-4 days. So contact the office if you want a tarot session. tarot.sheila.com. You can book a session online or just call the office 9900 120034 and you can get whatever appointment. Okay, good night guys, I love you all, bye bye.